This podcast is called My First Million. So if someone is trying to get from $0 to $1 million, these are the tools that I'm using to make $1 million.
Wow. It's easy to name a podcast My First Million. Well, it's a popular podcast. They have huge, I think 500,000 followers or maybe 800,000 followers. But only some AI tools? Well, let's watch. But we are not going to watch that way. I'm going to make a teachable site with it. First thing, I need the transcript of the video. Got it? And put the transcript right here and one click at the blue button. You can say blue pill. Literally everything is ready. And now click the pink pill, the purple pill, or you can say the red pill, and boom, all of a sudden a website is ready. Wow. It is your one-page short training site or a short course site. It has a headline and a sub-headline and a content and a beautiful system called Spark. Every letter stands for each section of the training. Amazing. We're going to go through the Spark system today. If you don't have a website yet, remember, you don't make money without a website, whether you make it your own or have somebody to make it for you. And let's say you have this teachable site by going to teachable.99dfi.com or maybe clicking the link in the description. But you still don't know how to make money with AI. Forget about $1 million. Then you should seriously consider watching the free training at moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and watch the full training. The first part of the training will transparently show you our business step by step. And the second part will show you how we can help beginner 9-to-5ers or business owners like yourself and earn commission like these guys. And as a result, you can potentially earn high ticket commissions like these guys. However, this is not a get rich quick scheme and results are not typical. But the training video is 100% free to watch. Nothing should be able to stop you from watching the training. Go watch it. And if you have any question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Let's go watch Spark.
So today what I want to talk about is I want to show 5 or 6 different apps that I'm using, Sam, that I think you should be using. And we can just go through it, that are underrated, hidden gems that you probably never heard of that will make you more productive and make you more money.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
So today what I want to talk about is I want to show 5 or 6 different apps that I'm using, Sam, that I think you should be using. And we can just go through it, that are underrated, hidden gems that you probably never heard of that will make you more productive and make you more money.
And the reason why this is fun is because a lot of people in the audience are like me, which is they're like, I'm a really good Googler. That's the extent of how good I am on computers. I'm pretty good at ChatGPT, but you are like 3 steps above me in terms of being technical. And then there's like people that are like 10 steps above that, but you're kind of a good balance of someone who's like on the
Don't worry if somebody is ahead of you, because you don't need to be hard worker, you need to be smart worker, and you need to have a lot of confidence. Confidence comes from knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, then don't watch random videos. Go to moshbarry.com and watch the free training. It will give you complete concept of a business model.
outer edge, being an early adopter, but also you can relate this to kind of like a Neanderthal like me.
I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just going to try to clearly explain as much as possible. And I tried to pick examples of apps that literally anyone could use that is going to make like a big difference in their lives. By the way, I know people are going to listen to this. Some people are going to be like, because there's a lot of AI haters out there, Sam.
Why?
Why? Because they see stuff like this, which I will show you, a AI generated Taylor Swift, and they're like, you are ruining the world.
Okay.
But this is where technology is going, and this episode is for people who want to use it to their advantage, and so that's what we're here for.
All right, Greg, fire me up. What do we got? How am I going to look like T?
That was S, secret tools for productivity. Let's go to the next one. P.
Not get approved by Meta, but people are using JFK and Play-Doh and things that are in the public domain. You could use create ads for, and it's working.
So I can go to enhancer.ai, which I'm here, and I can film like a funny script of what I think JFK would say to promote MFM or something like that. And I can actually
They are talking about enhancer.ai. It's not CER, it's COR.ai. Fix your AI looking images into natural photos. What? Wow, that is so true. Look at this. This image or images are AI generated, but when you refine them, they look more human. That's even spookier than AI. Did you know about this? So that's AI generated on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, no, my bad. So wow, actually my head is spinning. Wow, you can do a lot of modification here. Okay, if you think it's useful, you need a naturalization of your AI images, go to Enhancer AI and try it out. Unfortunately, I do not see any affiliate program. So if you talk about them, I mean, I am talking about them, I'm not going to make any money.
actually use that in an ad because JFK is considered public domain.
Exactly. I mean, I'm not a lawyer, but from my understanding, yes. There's this guy by the name of PJ Ace. I just had him on my podcast. He's amazing. He's like the #1 AI video ad guy, and he's literally getting hundreds of millions of views on his AI videos. And I've seen him, like, he'll work with like, you know, the largest companies on the planet. And so he's using, look at this, like he's using Sam Altman here.
So, wow. Is there a way that, what would be the best way? This, like, I'm looking at this PJ Ace guy and I'm like, this sounds awesome. I want to use this immediately. What would be the best way for me to do that?
So first you need to write a script. And if what I would do is I would use ChatGPT, use Claude.
Yeah, Habibi, it's way boring. I mean, my viewers don't have time. They want to buy their first Lamborghini yesterday. I mean, they made their booking 3 years ago. And you're talking like script writing, ChatGPT. Everybody knows you can just throw ChatGPT some prompt and ChatGPT can write anything, including how to buy a new underpant.
To come up with a script idea. And we won't have time to go through a tutorial of that today, but then I would create reference frames. So I would use one of the image models.
That was boring. Anyways, the second step was public domain ads with AI. Well, I'm not into ads that much. It's spooky. I mean, who wants to spend their money on ads? Instead, I make videos, and I make softwares like this, use the help of these kind of softwares and make simple videos, right? Well, you might be thinking, why do I make videos? And my videos don't get a lot of views, maybe 5 views, 50, maximum 500. And if I'm lucky, I get 5,000. Some of my videos get 5 million views. But money is in people's pocket. They only spend that money when they have pain and they want to buy painkiller, or in other words, products. Now money is still here because these people don't know where the painkiller or the products are. These products are produced by producers and promoted by promoters or affiliates. Now, interestingly, these affiliates don't have any product. They don't have the hassle of creating any product. All they do is build connections with these people, know about their pain and painkillers. These affiliates use advertisements or content or videos to talk about pain, painkiller, and show up in front of people. And this way they build a connection. They build trust and authority. And then whenever they recommend these painkillers as a solution to this pain, these people simply buy from these affiliates. And when they do, these affiliates earn starting from 5% to 50% affiliate commission. So all they did was making content, and that's it. So this video is a content. Now at the moment, I am not promoting anything as an affiliate, is because I am the producer myself. Normally, when there is a sale by an affiliate, the affiliate earns 50% and the producer earns 50%, and the producer has all the costs. So they literally don't keep a lot of profit. Most of the profit goes to affiliates. But at this point, I have my own content, I have my own products. So when I sell as a producer, as an affiliate, I can keep some of the profit. But did you understand the point of making content or making video? It's literally free everything. Free publicity, free customers, free money, free products, free advertisement, free eyeballs. What else can I say? I think I said enough. Now we will go to our next step. A stands for AI-powered Excel.
Create an AI first version of Excel. And it's similar to actually Comet in the sense that, on the left, it sees your screen, which is like a cloud version of Excel. And on the right-hand side, you have prompts. And you can just use natural language to tell it what to do. And it works. For example, literally 1 minute before this call, I actually used Comet to I was like, hey, find me a sheet of financial data that I can upload to Try Shortcut. I uploaded it to Try Shortcut. As you can see, it's this list of company, how much.
Okay, let's have a look. Try Shortcut. Oh, yay. Try Shortcut AI. These are good domains. People already bought all the good domains, right? Try it for free. Well, don't get me wrong. Don't get anyone wrong. There is nothing free. You just have to check the pricing somewhere. And the pricing is not really less. It's a lot. I mean, if you pay annual, then for the pro version, you'll pay $30, $32 a month. But if you pay monthly, that's $40 a month, Habib. Wow. Unlimited messages in action. 2 max model users per day. Okay. But if you want to go $160 per month paid annually or $200 per month paid monthly, then you can use everything pro, unlimited max access. Ooh. Well, it's great, amazing for companies, enterprises. But I have a question to you. Do you really think that Excel AI thing is required every single day?
Which market cap they have, how much revenue they have, how much gross profit they had. I said, analyze my data for key insights. It gives me all the key insights. Now, if I wanted to say, hey, build me a DCF analysis or build me an income statement or explain me this or explain me that, you can do it and it works.
Can you ask it a question right now? Ask it, which stock would Warren Buffett pick based off of this data? The reason I'm asking is this: I actually bought a book called like Warren Buffett on Accounting or something like that, or Warren Buffett on Balance Sheets when I was trying to learn accounting. And because I was trying to figure out what does he see? What sticks out to him? But and the book was really hard to read. These are complicated concepts. This might just do it for me.
Yeah. And it has this data that is on screen, but it's also looking
cool. That was a AI powered Excel. Now something unusual. I kind of don't believe the title. Let's watch first.
That looks real.
Okay. So how do I fake the world?
Here's what I'll say. I'll say that, a lot of people are vibe coding software right now, but the hardest problem is how do you get customers to that software? Well, one way is to own a bunch of accounts, like on TikTok, that you can send traffic to. So I believe that there's an arbitrage right now to use AI to create these accounts, basically like meme accounts, and then, sell your software through them. So there's a piece of software called Real Farm. This thing must do like 10K a month MRR or less. It's like not many people know about it, but it's a way to automate TikToks to drive traffic to your website.
Just TikTok, not Instagram?
Just TikTok. I mean, you probably could, upload it to Instagram, but from what I've seen, it does TikTok the best. How it works is you can source images from Pinterest. So Pinterest has tons of images. Let's say you want to do, a slideshow that says top 8 protein sources ranked by bioavailability and cost. So you add a prompt and generate a slideshow. You can see the slideshow over here.
That's crazy.
These images, and it's super clean. And the cool thing is that TikTok is promoting slideshows right now, and then you can just schedule and publish it. So within
all right, that was great, and that was real. It was not fake traffic. What? It was real traffic from TikTok, and it's not actually a bot. It's just content creator or regular content creator. Dude, I mean, you almost gave me a heart attack. It's real traffic, dude, from TikTok, not bots. Got it. Let's go to the last one. K. What's K stands for? Know your entry point.
To work themselves out. And it's just, this is the first time in my life that I'm old enough where I'm potentially like, okay, are you getting on or are you getting off? Whereas if you're a young person, you're just born on. So there was no, are you getting on or getting off for the internet? I was born into the internet. That's just how I grew up. Whereas now I'm old enough to where I'm not default into it. And I have to like learn about it. And this is the first time I've experienced that.
Yeah. I mean, we are getting older, so and we've seen some of these shifts, but I agree. Like, what's the difference between brain rotting on TikTok and like watching TV for 8 hours a day?
These tools are really cool. How many hours a week are you just nerding out and finding all these interesting things?
I mean, that's one of the reasons why I love the design agency is like the design agency is working with all the top AI apps to build up this stuff. So sometimes I just sit in meetings and I'm like, teach me everything about, character AI, teach me everything about Jasper AI, teach me everything about these tools.
How many of them are you proficient in?
I spend probably 10 hours a week playing with new tools every single week. And I would say I'm proficient, like I'm, native in 10 tools, let's say.
Man, well, thank you for...
Here's an important point. You do not need to be proficient in 10 tools. You just need to focus on this little one thing called money, and you follow the money. You follow the people, you follow the pain killer, the products, and you become either producer or affiliate, and then you follow the money. You do not need a photo editing until and unless somebody asks for it. Until and unless your income depends on it. So you don't need everything. In my opinion, if you just focus on this one thing, that's it. Pain. Understand the pain. What kind of pain? What's the intensity of pain that makes people spend money to get rid of this pain? So if you put all your research, even ChatGPT, keep asking questions about that pain, keep talking to people about that pain, think about the pain, see what products people are selling to cure that pain, you are much more closer to money than anyone else. So don't worry if on a podcast video somebody says, oh, I am proficient in 10 different AI apps, or they just say, I spend 10 hours per week on learning different apps. You are not behind. So don't lose your enthusiasm. Now the world is fast moving. AI and the other technologies are evolving. They're replacing humans. All are true. And if you feel you're overwhelmed, you need help, you need done for you, you need mentorship, you need guidance, you need to focus, then focus on the free training at moshbarry.com, or go to the link in the description, or go to the link in the bio. If you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer. Let's go. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.